Today you are learning about baseball fielding. When playing a baseball game, there are two teams. One team is up to bat and trying to score points. The other team is in the field trying to get the runners out. Let's go over how to be a fielder in baseball. In a real baseball game, there are 9 fielding players on the field. The players are spread out to cover the entire field, and each player has a specific job on the field. The pitcher's job is to pitch or throw the balls to the batter so that they can hit the ball with the bat. The catcher stands behind home plate and catches any of the balls the batter does not hit and protects home plate to get any runners running to home plate out. Here's an example of what the pitcher and the catcher do. Then you have 3 basemen covering each of the bases: first base, second base, and third base. Their job is to get the ball and step on a base before the runner gets to the base, or they can tag the runner with the ball to help make an out. The shortstop helps to cover the space between second and third base and also helps to make outs in the infield. The shortstop mostly helps the second and third baseman. The fielders cover the outfield and try to catch fly balls, or they can throw any ground balls to the bases and help make outs for their team. All of the fielding players must work together to get the ball and try to make an out by either catching the ball flying in the air or getting a ground ball and throwing it to a baseman so they can tag the runner out. The trickiest part about being in the field and making outs is knowing where to throw the ball if it comes in your area. One of the most common places for fielders to throw the ball is to the first baseman, because that is where every batter has to run after they hit the ball. Once every play is over, fielders should check the bases and see where the runners are and think about where they should throw the ball if it comes to them. They have to remember that when they throw the ball, they have to throw it ahead of where the runner is going to be so that they can get that runner out. Here's a couple of examples of what being in the field looks like.